Good evening, tutor. I hope you are well and so is your family. Next, I will read the individual activity. Task 5. Pronunciation practice. 1. Read the following text. Try to make your best effort pronouncing the symbols. Don't forget to the have in mid read intonation and stress. Teacher pretext. The pretext lacks one with the teacher, one is mother class in better meaning. They say that they must be more star in school. School say that there are not many. However, teacher do not validate. They say that school explain the meaning and difference. Fins. 2. Minimal pairs. A minimal pair is a pair of words that vary with only and single and some. This sound may confuse English learners, then pronouncing the helping and mean the variation of the sounds. Cat, bat. White, wise. Right, road. Cat, night. Take, skate. Coat, coat. Pin, bin. Tell, peel. Teach, pitch. Day, pea. Dig, pig. Dial, peel. Duck, back. Date, bait. Tool, cool. To, coo. Take, cape. Toad, coat. Town, gown. Tie, guy. Tap, gap. To, good. Tack, get. Table, gable. Tin, fern. Tank, funk, fan. Thick, big. 3. Intonation and structure. Read the following sentence having and made supplemental factors. Statement with the three straws. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The water is going to change. Statement will form extracts. She walks to what a new car. We wrote the letter very clearly. The teacher told her studying a study. Statements with 5 stars. Alice wrote the letter very clearly. Victor is going to London next month. Taya is reading the book you bought yesterday? Special question, foreign intonation. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Foreign interest, politeness, recent intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she What did she say? Where had you been? General question, raising intonation. Have you read the book? Have you heard the news? The news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? A pen? Ricky's recent intonation. May I speak to ella please? Call and speak to Michael please? Can I borrow your dictionary please? Alternative question, rising and falling intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does you read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? Type question, falling or rising intonation. You don't, can they, do you? They haven't found it, haven't they? You weren't late, were you? I sold the 8 sold ein. Commands failing intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hat. Do it yourself. Ask him for help. Frequency rising intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask her to call me, please. Exclamatory sentence failing intonation. It's go to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Direct address raising intonation. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you are? Are you? Excuse me. Enumerant raising intonation. I have bound break shells and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencils. Response. I can't. She is. He will. You saw. I can't. He don't. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye.